ma'am, and nag-tabulate na, pa-print out yung mga receipt. Now, before you focus sa imong receipt, ma'am, I want you to take a close look sa monitor. Dahil ginahamba ni Sir Crispin Gerardo kay Ina, ma'am. The voter has 15 seconds to view rather nga front-facing ballot. Then you have 4 seconds to review the back face of the ballot. So here, as you can see, these are the let's just say aspirants or candidates that you voted for as a senator. I do believe that you overvoted.
No, I didn't.
Okay,
That's right.
That's right. Okay, so 6. This is not allowed during election day. Overvote, sir. I was assuming that ma'am overvoted.
I did not.
Okay, so while this is not allowed sa actual natin na elections, I can discuss it with you right now because this is the roadshow. So here you voted for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 senators. That's correct. You voted for 1 member of the House of Representatives. You voted for 1 provincial governor. You voted for 1 vice governor. For the SP, you voted for 1, and we ran out of time. But that was because you were supposed to review the ballot for a fixed amount of time, ma'am. So, kinatawaan kita 15 seconds para ma-view. So, naubusan kita time. That's why you were not able to glance kasi gin-discuss natin yung mga one by one. But, sa receipt, pwede mo man ma-verify, ma'am, na tama na yung mga ginbotohan.
Oh yeah, pero yung hindi ko nakita din, baka hindi talaga lumabas eh.
During our time and motion study, ma'am, we found it na ample of 15 seconds para mag-view if voters mag-glance nanda nga kung sino gimana nag-vote. So, naghahaba lang namin kita because
yes, I know.
We discussed.
Yes,
sir. Unfortunately, sir, we don't have that 20% discount. So, this is your receipt, ma'am. After you're satisfied with the receipt, you can fold it up, i-fold natin up, and then i-deposit natin sa receipt receptacle.
Just one folding.
Yes, ma'am.
Pwede ba picturean doon? Actual voting.
Sa actual voting, sir, taking any photos or using any phones inside the voting center is not allowed. So definitely, taking photos of your ballot or yung mga receipt is not allowed.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay.